maraming foreigners na inaakalang pag kinasal or nagpakasal sa isang Filipina ay automatically magiging Filipino citizen sila. At ito po ay maling akala. When a foreigner is married to a Filipino citizen, she has to make a choice to whether retain yung kanyang Filipino citizenship or acquire the citizenship of the foreigner husband. Vice versa rin yan. Pwede rin mag-decide yung foreigner to waive his foreign citizenship and become a Filipino. But hindi siya automatic, kailangan lang ng judicial proceedings called naturalization. And this is provided for by Commonwealth Act 473. Ang benefit lang na makukuha ng foreigner pag nagpakasal siya sa Filipina at gusto niya maging Pilipino ay marireduce yung residency requirement. Meaning, under Commonwealth Act 473, kailangan yung foreigner at least 10 years living in the Philippines already. Pero pag dito siya sa Pilipinas at dito siya nagpakasal, pwedeng i-reduce yan to 5 years or in some instances, it will waive yung requirement na yan. And this is through a petition in court. Pwede ring i-waive yung 1-year waiting period. Kasi pag foreigner ka, nag-file ka ng petition to be naturalized, kailangan maghintay ka ng 1 year after publication bago i-hearing yung kaso mo. Pag nakapag-asawa ka ng Pilipina, yung 1-year period na yan na pwedeng i-waive. Or pwede ka ring mag-file ng naturalization through administrative proceedings doon sa Solicitor General. Ang importanteng tandaan, hindi automatic na nagpakasal ka sa Pilipina, ikaw ay Pilipino.